Last week I posted a video and the title of the video was Facebook ad, Google ad, and YouTube ad. And I got a very funny comment about that video, which I want to correct today. I got a comment. In fact, let me read the comment. The person says, the person's name is John Samuel, and the person says, if this thing truly works, you won't be here teaching people. And I laugh. If this thing truly works, you won't be here teaching people. Before I answer this person, I really want to say thank you very much. It is very, very rare for you to see someone engaging on your post, but I just want to say thank you very much for finding time to come into my comment section to drop that. Okay. Secondly, I would like to say this. The reason why I do come out to this channel to give out some knowledge, it is because some people find it very difficult to source for things by themselves. Okay, some people find it difficult to look for things, to look for update by themselves. So when I have update like this, instead of me to keep it to myself, because I know very well that I have family and friends, right? Instead of me to keep it to myself, this is the only platform I come out and I make videos. And if you want to have clarity about it, want to have more knowledge about it, you're free to come into my DM. To some people, they see teaching as another stream, another way of survival. Do you get? I don't know if you get my point. Some people, they survive with teaching. Some people get to know themselves through teaching, because there's no difference between what I'm doing and that lecturer in your classroom or that lecturer in your school. There's no much difference. I'll be giving you a few examples just to let you know that that comment you dropped on that post, if you're the one, John Samuel, that comment you dropped wasn't relevant. Do you know that many coaches, they have different strategies? Like the strategy that the Man City coach uses is different from the one Arsenal coach uses, okay? But they are not the one playing the match. They only guide the footballers. The same thing is applicable to a mechanic. A mechanic doesn't need to have a G-Wagon for him to be able to repair a G-Wagon. A mechanic doesn't need to have a Benz for him to be able to repair. Just need to have the knowledge. I've seen a mechanic that's been repairing cars, but he doesn't have a single car. So you come into my comment section and you're telling me if it truly works, I won't be here. That's very, very funny. And there's another word I would have used, but because of the community guidelines, I don't want them to flag this video, so I won't use it. But you know yourself. And more so, I share what works for me, and also to help others. Just like I said before, if it doesn't work for me, I won't come out here. In fact, if it doesn't work for me, I come out here and I make a claim about it. It will be flagged. I only share what works for me. You get my point? You don't have to believe in me. You can just see it by yourself. But if you want to believe in me, if you believe in me and you want to see results, there is no problem. Just come. I'll show you the way. Rather than you going into my comment section and telling me if it works. That's very that's very that's very funny. Most of you now go see updates. I was instead of now to enter somebody DM. Pride. That is the spirit of pride. Come for cleansing. Well, I don't want to make this video to be long. I just want to stop here because I was only doing this video. I did this video to just address that comment that was dropped in my video. Please feel free to come to my DM. I have a lot of updates to share. I have a lot of knowledge to share with you guys. There is no crime in learning. We learn every day. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Do it to like, share, and subscribe if you're seeing this face for the first time. See you in my next video. Peace out. Bye.